Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be doing salmon with green sauce and roasted potatoes. So we've got our potatoes out on our baking sheet. They're seasoned with salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil drizzled over top. We've left the skin on for nutrition, and we're going to pop these into a 450 to a 475 degree oven until they're nice and golden brown, maybe 15-20 minutes, just give or take. We'll just kind of watch them close. So we're going to pop these in. All right, now we've also got a skillet here with oil that's very hot and ready to go. We've scored our salmon, and before I put it in the pan, I am going to season it with a little salt and a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. All right, going to begin to cook our salmon. Now, in the meantime, I've done this ahead, but you can do this while your salmon is cooking. We have some mint and some parsley here that we've chopped up. We've got a little bit of garlic, some olive oil, and a splash of lemon juice. And we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and fresh cracked black pepper. And that's all there is to our green sauce. You can whiz it up in the food processor if you want, or you can kind of just beat it together with a fork like I've done here. You'll see that your oil turns nice and green. It's a great little dressing for sauce, for fish, and our roasted potatoes. It'll go great with both. And you could, if you don't want to use basil, if you don't want to use mint and parsley, you could use basil and parsley. You could even use spinach. So really any greens would work there to make your sauce. Just depends on what flavor you're going for. Give that just a little bit longer before we flip it. All right, so we're ready to flip our salmon. You can see the score marks in the top. We'll give it a few more minutes on the other side. All right, so our salmon is done at this point. So we're going to kill the heat and let it set aside and rest while our potatoes finish in the oven. They should just be a couple more minutes. All right, so we're ready to pull our roasted potatoes from the oven. All right, so we're going to plate this up with our salmon and our green sauce, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.